Hi, today I'm going to show you guys how to automatically generate captions on your YouTube Shorts. Now, for the way I'm going to show you guys, you will need both Final Cut Pro and Captionator for Final Cut. You will be able to find Captionator for Final Cut in the App Store. It should cost you around $20 USD. As soon as you have it installed, go to the YouTube short or make a YouTube short that you would like to add text to. Okay, so hit the audio track. If you have music on a different track, for best results, try to turn it off. But if they're both on the same track, you can try, but I would, for future reference, try to record your audio, mic audio, and music audio on different tracks. That's just a tip. But now, simply, we just have to select the audio that we want and then go to this share tab right here. And then Captionator is a destination that we'll click on. As you can see, this pops up here. We're going to hit next. And then after we hit next, it processes. We get to pick, I always pick custom for this because this is actually pretty cool because this actually lets us go through and pick our font's color. I'm going to choose white. We can pick how big the width is, the outline, what color the outline is. We can either even pick what font we want. Yes, we can pick what font we want from the list, and let's go by the font you have installed on your computer. I always pick this font, and then we go over to titles. It lets us pick how many words we want per font. You can also pick captions. I turn that off though. And then afterwards, just hit generate. Hit save to save it to the computer. You can delete the save afterwards. It's not really a big deal. And then you pick which library you want to put them on. Real library is my main library, so that's what I'm going to choose. After I choose, it takes me to here. Here, I'm simply going to just copy this, hit Command C or Control C. Well, I get to you what can be on Windows. So Command C to copy it. Go back down to where my short is, and then go right where the audio starts, and then hit Command V. And then there we go. Yeah, we have our font. Like say this is a little too whatever for it, right? So a little too big. Well, we can adjust the fonts, okay? It doesn't always get perfect, so we can simply go into the fonts. We can decide, oh, we want it to be on a different line, or oh, we wanted to change it because it didn't quite pick up what we were saying correct. So you can do that. And furthermore, if we want, we can come over here to transform right here, and then we can actually move the font down here. And then after we're done with that, we can just click on the font we just moved, hit Command C, select all of these by holding down Command, then hit Command Shift V as in Victor, and then just hit paste, and it will change all those in the exact, area that we have that. So, yeah, that is how you easily automate the font for YouTube Shorts. So now you can save your short, upload it, whatever, and if you want the generated captions for a future one, just do that, or you can delete them. No harm, no foul. So yeah, hopefully this helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.